It's Vlogmas, day 8.
Piano in the bill.
Jingle
What's up, Fashion Forward fam? It's your girl, ChericeShana. Welcome back to my channel. If you're not a part of my Fashion Forward family, please make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, make sure you follow me on social media. All of my links will be listed in the description below. Also, make sure that you comment. Let's connect with each other and all that good stuff. So, in the last Vlogmas video, you guys did see my gift ideas for men. And now we're talking about my gift ideas for her. Okay? So, let's go ahead and get straight into it. All right, so the first thing I'm going to talk about is basically reiterate the things that I said that were unisex gifts in the previous video. An Ancestry DNA kit is a wonderful gift to give for the woman in your life that's been searching on and trying to find out a little bit more about her back historical history. A lot of people are asking where they're coming from. They want to know what parts, what makes up their DNA, what countries, what continents, and all that good stuff. So right now there's an amazing sale on an Ancestry DNA kit, and I have that listed down below in the description for you guys. Another great unisex gift is a Fitbit, which is amazing. Right now, most of us women are on our health kick and we're trying to get it right and get it tight going into the year 2019. So we always want to make sure that we're on point. And a great way to be on point and be held accountable for what we eat and how we work out is a Fitbit. And the Fitbit 3 is bomb. It calculates pretty much everything from the calories that you use when you work out and also the calories that you burn even when you're sleeping. So I also have that listed down below, and I pretty much have mostly everything for us women listed down below in the description. So all you have to do is just click it and purchase should your heart's desire. So another great gift is obviously an Amazon Fire Stick. I told you guys in the previous video that I was gifted a Fire Stick and I absolutely love it. And due to, you know, some amazing videos here on the YT, allegedly, I am now able to pretty much, you know, watch whatever I want to watch. You know what I mean? So an Amazon Fire Stick is an amazing gift. Another amazing gift is a pair of headphones. So whether it be your favorite Bose speaker headphones, which are amazing, whether it be your favorite AirPods or your iPhone AirPods, or even some Beats, definitely headphones are a great gift for Christmas. Skincare and body care items are amazing gifts for Christmas because we get to have different fragrances that we might like, body mists, lotions, body washes. Those are all amazing standard gifts for women, okay? Another great gift are a pair of shoes. We like shoes. We love shoes. Shoes are great. Get us some shoes, okay? And along with shoes, some slippers are also great as well for the holidays, you know? Another great gift for us women, especially the ones here on YT, camera, okay? We love bomb cameras to film our content on. Some of us are bloggers, like myself. Check out my website, FashionForwardPlus.com. But us bloggers love cameras. We love photography. We love setups as well. So if your significant other, your female, your homegirl, your ride or die, if she's a person that loves YT or is interested in doing YouTube, stuff like that, great gifts would be camera. Another great gift would be a ring light or a light that she's able to use to film videos. Another would be a background, colorful backgrounds, sequins backgrounds, cute backgrounds. Backgrounds are amazing gifts for the YT and for the girl in your life that is interested in photography and video making. Another great gift, which is for someone who's into the internet, into making content, would be a subscription for Filmora or an Adobe subscription. A lot of people don't know that if you want to film videos, edit videos, things like that, there are different programs that you can use. And a lot of people don't know what those programs are or how to get started or are not able to afford a program. So if your significant other loves to edit videos or wants to learn how to edit, you can definitely do a 1-year Filmora subscription so that they're able to edit their videos for 1 year with no issues, and then they can go forward after that and sign up if they want to pay for the rest. But 1 year of getting editing for their videos, what? That's a bomb gift, especially if you love video editing. If you love picture editing and video editing, you can always sign her up for Adobe. Adobe also does subscription. Well, you're able to get Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Lighting, Adobe Illustrator. There's so much Adobe programs that you're able to get. So if you sign up your significant other or the female in your life, or even the guy in your life, that's a great unisex gift as well, would be to definitely go ahead and sign them up for an Adobe subscription so they're able to edit videos and do all that jazz. And you don't have to pay for it? What? Perfect gift, okay? Another gift that would be perfect will be some perfume, depending on her choice, of course. You don't want to get her anything that she does not like, so I would definitely suggest asking what kind of perfume she likes or what kind of notes does she like. So some people like florals rather than fruity scents or vice versa, so you can ask, you know, or just walk around and be like, oh, this perfume is nice. What do you think about it? Oh, I love that perfume, or I don't really like that. So you'll find that out just by asking hint questions on that. So perfume is another thing. A great gifts for women are gift certificates to getting a massage, gift certificates to the spa, amazing. Gift certificates to get her hair done, amazing. Gift certificates to get her nails done, amazing. Who's not gonna want that? Okay, we want it. Another great gifting idea is, of course, makeup. So there's so many different makeup brands. There's so many different makeup outlets. And I'm pretty sure if she's a female in your life that likes makeup, she's spoken about makeup and spoken about what she wants. So gifting like a palette or a collection of makeup from her favorite brand that she's been speaking about is also an amazing gift. Jewelry is also a nice gift, of course, for women, whether it be a watch, a chain, some earrings, a necklace, a bracelet. Jewelry is definitely good. Make sure you see if she's allergic to certain kinds of jewelry before you purchase it. So you want to make sure about that first before you go buying random jewelry that she might be allergic to. So I would definitely ask, or, you know, subtly ask about the type of jewelry she likes. Or if you notice the type of jewelry that she likes, getting her a few pairs of her favorites do not hurt at all. Another great gift is a brand new handbag. So women love handbags. A lot of women love handbags. So just notice the ones that she's walking around with so you know what kind of style handbag she likes, and pick out something that you know is going to suit her, that she's going to love and enjoy. So a handbag is definitely a great holiday gift. And another gift that I love is what I like to call a personality box. So this is going to be a box, same as the guy's gift box that I had, which is going to include a whole bunch of her favorite things. So in a cute little box, you can put her favorite candle in there along with her favorite snacks, some really cute fuzzy socks, a cute blanket that she can cuddle up with, and maybe her favorite, if she loves Starbucks, maybe her favorite Starbucks mixers, and put stuff like those in a really nice box or gift, or like a gift bag. That is pretty dope. Another great item to give is phone accessories or bag accessories. Little pom-poms are really popular right now to place on the bag. Phone case charms to put onto her phone as well. Those are really cute gift ideas. Stocking stuffer ideas, but I would not consider that a main gift. And the last thing I'm going to leave you guys with is gift cards. Gift cards are amazing gifts to give for the woman in your life because she's able to go to the place that she likes and pick out exactly what she wants for herself, whether it be from her favorite store or a general Visa or MasterCard gift card that she's able to use anywhere she wants to, which is definitely an amazing gift because, again, she can use it anywhere she wants to use it. So those are my tips for a holiday gift guide for her. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till next time, bye.